So we're in Buckinghamshire, where we recently fitted a double garage. We did all the walls, we did a tiled floor, and we fitted various units which included cabinets, baskets, but the customer wanted it to be nice and clean, and then he's got plenty of space maybe to put a television on one wall. He's got his gym equipment over this side so he can fully exercise in the mornings. He's got a man cave in the corner, and the whole thing looks lovely, clean, pristine, and he's even got room for his prancing horse in the corner.